Good morning, everyone. Today is the 27th of December, so happy holidays to everyone. Let's have a look at the Nasdaq. Let's understand what happened over the Christmas period and try to identify any opportunity moving forward into the new year. So we are looking at the weekly chart here, and we have seen that this high has been taken. This is our weekly external range liquidity, and price reacted to this and went for internal range liquidity, and we have internal range liquidity from here. I will just mark this up and then I will turn off this indicator. So we have this internal range liquidity on the weekly. We have this internal range liquidity on the weekly. And we've seen price strongly react from this. We've seen price react from this. So this fair value gap is holding price so far. Now let me turn off that indicator now. And let's go down to the 4-hour chart. And what do we see here? We see that our weekly, coming back to the weekly, our weekly is bullish. Our 4-hour, we see that we have the impulse reacting from the 4-hour, from the weekly fair value gaps. And what happened here? Price displaced, and we have another range. In the impulse range here, we're going for this top. So we have our draw on liquidity here, as we have here market structure shift, displacement, reaction from the fair value gap. I will mark this as draw liquidity. Like so. Okay, remove this for sake of keeping this simple. And what else do we have? We have a value gap here. We have a fair value gap here, which hasn't been inverted yet. Alright, so on the 4-hour, still bullish. So let's go to the 15-minute. Actually, let me go back to the weekly here, and I will open this 15-minute chart. And we have a better picture here with the previous day high and previous day low. And so on the 15-minute, price is looking to take the previous day low back into this 4-hour fair value gap. We have this breaker here. Ideally, we would want price we would want to see price doing that, take the previous day low, and then we can look for longs into 22,450. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for the analysis. Of course, we have this relative equal high here, and if we look at what do we have on the comparison with ES and YM, pretty much the same story. So yeah, that's it. We do have one SMT here, the highs with ES and YM, but I don't see that as an issue for the price going back up. For the immediate term, price to go down, right? So it rebalances the range here, and then I do believe it's going back up to this all-time high. So this is the impulse range. So this is 15-minute external range liquidity. Equilibrium, and yeah, possibly for price to also retest this equilibrium, then go back, then go back up. We will see. That's it. Trade safe.